Dia Glow on the mic ya. Semangat lagi jalani hari-hari tanpa beban, berkarya tanpa batas, tanpa sebatas kewajiban. Nikmati tahap proses tanpa lelah dan lakukan. Gak perlu basa-basi, langsung gas dan langsung jalan. Mikrofon tetap on dalam level standby on. Monitor juga on and be ready to play on. Cekis mundur suara gelombang para pendengar. Angkasa on the mic and say hi, apa kabar? Modal kami, pola produktif yang utama. Bukan fiktif, banyak kanal tapi tak sama. Satu nama, bahkan di seluruh Nusantara. Dan tetap ada numero uno di udara.
Hey, this is Taylor Swift.
This is Brennan from Panic at the Disco.
I'm the only one of me.
Baby, that's the part of you.
So take that fight away. I've never been so wide awake. No, nobody but me can keep me safe. I'm on my way.
My name is Alan Walker.
Give it up for Sabrina
marshmallow, and churches.
Every day, you're saying the words that I want you to say. I'm such a
You're listening to
Pro 2 Singaraja.
Teman terbaik kamu.
'cause I need you here with me.
Well, teman Pro 2, welcome back to English Corner.
Yeah, listen us to know word more with me, Tris Mallory.
And Iran Amora also, okay.
How are you, Kakak Iren?
Oh, I'm so fine.
Yeah, and I hope also teman Pro 2 in a good condition.
Yes.
Because 1 hour we will talk about one topic
Yes.
that we can discuss today in English Corner. Yeah, this is about
Traditional dance.
yeah, traditional dance, originally from Buleleng.
Buleleng.
Yeah. And we will also serve or give you about how people or community give comments and also with hope, yeah, about the existence of this
Yes.
dance.
So, what is it called?
Huh?
What is it called? The
Um,
dance?
The dance. You curious? So still in 105.
Point forever. Pro
Music station,
Indonesia has a lot of very beautiful dance culture, one of which is the Kecak dance. The Kecak dance is a Balinese art dramatic performance which mainly tells about the Ramayana and is played mainly by men. This dance is performed by many 10 or more male dancers who sit in a circle and with a certain rhythm shout chak and raise both arms, depicting the Ramayana story when a line of monkeys help Rama against Rahwana. However, Kecak comes from the ritual Sanghyang, which is a dance tradition in which the dancer will be in an unconscious state, communicate with God or the spirits of the ancestor and then convey their hopes to the community. The dancer who sit in a circle wear a checkered clothes like a chessboard around their waist. Apart from the dancers, there are also other dancers who play Ramayana characters such as Rama, Sinta, Rahwana, Hanuman, and Sugriwa. The Kecak dance song is taken from the Sanghyang dance ritual. Additionally, do not use musical instruments. Only use kincringan that is worn on the feet of dancers who play Ramayana characters. Kecak dance was born in 1930s. It is said that Balinese dancer Wayan Limbach collaborated with German painter Walter Spies to create a Kecak dance based on Sanghyang tradition and parts of the Ramayana story. They took their creation on an international tour that helped make the Kecak dance as well known as it is today.
Yeah, welcome back to English Corner.
Yes, teman Pro 2 and
Yeah, listen us to know more, ya.
Okay.
Tadi ya.
What is tadi, Tris?
Yeah, we
Okay.
have listened one instrument set and will lead to us about the
Okay.
topic we will discuss today.
Discuss
Ya,
today, yes.
That is about
Joget
Bumbung, ya. And everybody, ya, especially the men is famous or maybe
Yes.
known, ya, this dance, ya. Not only in Buleleng, even though this is originally from Buleleng, but
Yes.
also in Bali because Joget Bumbung is a kind of traditional Balinese dance that performance intended as entertainment, ya, or
Yes.
secular dance that usually performs for tourists or also the community, and we can also see this dance in in ritual ceremony, in
Yes.
Balinese, mostly, and also this is become one of 9 Balinese dances proposed to be
Yes.
the World Cultural Heritage by UNESCO.
Oh my God,
Yeah.
sounds good. Yeah, and actually this entertain dance actually like in wedding, wedding.
Yes, wedding, and then what is that? 3 months.
3 months for the
child,
baby.
babies,
Okay.
and also and some ritual other ceremony.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, and teman Pro 2 you say that the Joget Bumbung dance originate from Buleleng Regency and is thought to have existed since 1940s. And the word joget is
Yeah.
defined as movement or dance. Okay?
Yes.
And bumbung is a local term which means bamboo. This is a dance or a movement accompanied by bamboo music.
Yeah, as
you
what
heard.
we have heard before, yeah,
Yes, that's
Kak
right.
Irene. Yeah, mostly the instrument is coming from bamboo. Yeah,
Yes.
and also if we look up back, about the history
Histories,
of Joget
Joget,
Bumbung. Yeah, in the beginning, this dance was created by farmers. Yeah, as entertainment to fill their spare time because before they go to work, what is that? Work in their rice field,
Work,
something like
yes.
that. Yeah, the dance is in great demand and also developed into a popular social dance.
Yes, and dance is usually held at the end of harvest season,
Yeah.
festivals, weddings, corporate events, and others. And teman Pro 2 actually this dance is performed by female dancers, and
Yes.
it's accompanied by a set of musical instruments made of bamboo, like I said before, called grantang or
Yes.
gamelan grantang, ngan
Yeah.
or tingkle.
Yeah, grantang, we know as grantang, yeah. As Kakak Iren said that the mostly the dancer woman,
Yeah.
No, we
Female,
never
female.
female, yes.
Yes.
We never see the Joget Bumbung dancer is man. Why?
Okay.
Because the name is will be different, and we will talk it up later. There's also the dancer in this performance, male dancer, but it's not we call
joget.
as joget. Yeah.
Okay, and is it called?
Yeah, you have to stay here in English corner.
And listen us to know the word more.
Yeah.
Tempe is a traditional Indonesian food made from soybeans that have been fermented using several types of rhizopus mold. This fermentation is generally known as tempe yeast. Tempe can be prepared in a variety of different ways or dishes. Apart from having a delicious taste, tempe is also a food that is rich in nutrition and beneficial for the human body. Fermentation of yeast with soybean produces complex compounds into simple compounds that are easily digested by humans. Tempe is rich in dietary fiber, calcium, vitamin B, and iron. Various ingredients in tempeh have medicinal value, such as antibiotics to cure infection and antioxidant to prevent degenerative diseases. Tempeh is widely consumed in Indonesia, but has now spread worldwide. Tempeh is very well known by vegetarians all over the world. Many of them have used tempeh as a meat substitute. As a result, currently, tempeh is not only produced in Indonesia but also in many places in the world. Various studies in a number of countries, such as Germany, Japan, and the United States, are now trying to develop superior strains of rhizopus to produce faster, better quality tempeh and increase the nutritional content of tempeh.
Teman terbaik kamu.
Thank you for listening Pro 2 Singaraja in English Corner. Listen us to know the world more. And teman terbaik kamu RRI.co.id, mobile application RRI Digital, and YouTube channel RRI Singaraja Official. Still with me Rena Mora and my partner.
Tris Mallory, yeah,
Yes,
and we
and-
still talking about one traditional Balinese dance,
Yes,
Joget Bumbung.
Joget Bumbung.
For you who just listen us now, yeah, we have talk about the history of Joget Bumbung, yeah, and what's actually Joget Bumbung itself, yeah. As we have talked before that Joget Bumbung is that performed by female dancers, yeah, and we also have another male dancer,
Yes.
but the name is different ya Kakak Iren ya.
The participant or participatory, yeah, and in which the dancer invites the audience to dance together, and this collaboration between dancers and the audience is known as ngibing.
Yes, ngibing.
Have you ever ngibing, Tris?
Oh no, I avoid it. I always hide when the dancer asks me to ngibing ya.
And pengibing is usually dominated by men, but female
Yeah.
also can
Yeah, can.
ngibing.
Yes,
Okay.
both male and female, yeah. And also the dance usually approach the male audience, yeah, and then touch him with the fan as a sign that man was invited, yeah. And furthermore, the scarf is tied around the man's body, yeah. And then male audience who are chosen usually feel impolite to refuse, yeah, to dance with joget, yeah, or
Yes.
a female dancer. And then meanwhile, what is often happen, yeah,
Yeah.
when the man asks or invited to
Yeah, to ngibing,
ngibing, yeah, the wife coming,
Yeah.
and then what
is
is
it?
that jealous to
Jealous,
see, yeah, her
yeah.
husband dancing with the joget dancer, yeah, that's commonly happen, yeah.
Yeah, and then it's go viral on media sosial.
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, and then actually teman Pro 2, this dance has an agile, dynamic movement and involves improvisation. The dancer costume consists of fabric, or it's called kamen,
Yes.
kebaya, dancer, and gelungan, joget, or a special headdress. So
Yeah.
the dancer carries a traditional folding fan, which is played gracefully.
Yeah, it can be
Okay.
said identically of joget bumbung with a costume, yeah, something like that, yeah, Kakak
Yes,
Iren, yeah. And also the style of dance from the island of Bali usually derived from the traditional gandrung dance. Yeah, if you ever said about heard about the gandrung dance, is close to joget
Joget
bumbung
bumbung,
itself, yeah. And then the term joget we also known as Indonesian words, yeah, that
Yes.
have the same meaning, movement of body, something like that, yeah. And also we, as Kakak Iren said before, the what is that, we can say the specific things in joget bumbung is about the gamelan, yeah.
Yes, benar. Benar.
Yeah, that's right.
That's right. So the dancing is typically accompanied by a gamelan, like I
that's
said
right.
before, yeah. And then its dancer usually wear attire consisting of kebaya and sarung.
Yes.
Okay, so
And-
sometimes not only what is it what is it called, a scarf, but
Yeah.
also use what is it, kipas,
kipas,
kepat.
kepat, yeah.
What is kipas?
Not fan ya,
Kepat.
yang tradisional fan in Bali.
Yes.
And this depend on the dancer. Yeah, can be scarf, can be
Yeah.
kipas, something like that. And
Okay.
usually, even though we usually found this dance in rituals, ceremony, religious ceremony, but it is not categorized as a sacred dance, but it's what is that? It is entertainment, yeah. It's more a secular social dance for entertainment purposes only.
Okay.
Okay, I am Putu Adi Krishna Juniarta. Want to give opinion and perceptions about Joget Bung Bung dance. As we know, Joget Bung Bung dance is created for tari pergaulan or social dance, which is performed to make friends and for entertainment. But today, there will be a phenomena where this dance assisted or performed with pornographic movement presented vulgarly. This performance can be easily watched in the share video in the websites through which the users can download it, watch and share that video. And of course there will be a negative impact of the pornographic Joget Bung Bung dance. It will be same opinions with others. This performance and also video is still watched in different parts of the islands in Indonesia, and it can be watched every night, every day and every times. And of course here the governments have roles, and also the art observers and the society leaders to minimize this negative impact. As the result, the Bali government has persuaded the dancers and groups that are involved in the performance of such a Joget Bung Bung dance to return to the ethical choreography of the performing arts relating to the Joget Bung Bung performance. We hope that these conditions and this phenomena can be overcome by the rules and the involvement of the governments, art observers, and also the society.
Well, Tris, this is
Yeah.
coming from teman Pro 2. It's called Adi Krishna.
Yes,
right?
that's
Mhm.
right, and we can say as we know, in the development of Joget Bung Bung nowadays, it can be said is that far from its originally,
Yes.
where it's
The,
What's
be- the meaning,
the meaning,
of
the aim, the
aims,
intended
the purpose,
the
okay.
purpose as entertainment, but also but today nowadays we known as not only in Bali but in outside Bali, in Indonesia, and also outside or foreigners know that Joget Bung Bung is a kind of show more what's that erotic, erotic movement or pornography, something like that. That's why during the performance sometimes make jealousy, as what we discussed before, what we have said before, that's when the pengibing, the men, invited to Joget to dance, because the movement is kind of what's that? Like a vulgar, something like that. It's so much jealous of the wife or maybe the partner, the male, the mate. I mean, that's why now we have as the community, some of them also have what's that? A hope that the Joget Bung Bung can be returned as the originally come from as entertainment dance.
Okay,
Like that.
and actually get a positive impact, impact for others. And teman Pro 2, you know that Joget Jaruh, it's called like that, attempting to remove recording of the dance from YouTube or social media.
Yes.
So in 2016, Governor Made Mangku Pastika attempt to ban the dance and calling it pornographic. In August 2017, the Bali provincial government held a Joget Bung Bung festival to attempt to improve the dance.
That's why nowadays also where's that when the performance of the Joget Bung Bung is usually some convince or forbid the pornographic movement,
Yes.
something like that. Yeah.
Okay, so
We
that's
also-
from Adi Krishna.
Yeah, and also we have one comment from other teman Pro 2 ya,
Yeah.
that said about Joget Bumbung.
It's here.
My name is Novita. I'm one of the lecturer in Stah Empu Kuturan Singaraja in Cultural Tourism Department. As we know, Joget Bumbung is an art form that combines dance and percussion when viewed from the context of the art. These two elements were combined and then developed by allowing the audience to participate in dancing while the Joget Bumbung performance was taking place. And however, as time went on, Joget Bumbung underwent changes. And the change in the Joget Bumbung perform was due to the increasing demand of life and people to increasing demand, which is more dominant in the satisfaction of desire. And Joget Bumbung dancer who can display a touch of erotic movement so as to invite many escort will got paid more expensively and get free from the escort themselves. Related to wages or payment, dance movement, clothing, and to the selection of the faces of the Joget dancer themselves. Of course, the changes in the Joget Bumbung performance toward erotism give a negative view of the dancer and the Joget Bumbung performs itself.
Okay.
That's
Thank you.
comment from teman Pro 2 Novita
Novita.
Lestari ya. Yeah, not only the movement ya Kakak Iren, but also we also see that the costumes of the dancer is changed from the original ya. And also yeah, that's make the kind of stereotype ya of the Joget Bumbung dancer that what is that the pengibing what is that stereotype that all dancer is same, something like can be give pornographic movement, something like that, what is that seductive, something like that, yeah. But that's why we have to what is that, as Balinese, yeah,
people.
we have to what is that, include in how we preserve the actually of Joget Bumbung
Joget Bumbung.
itself, what the original come from as the entertainment, not for us giving a satisfaction for the what's the viewers or the pengibing, something like that, ya Kak Iren ya.
Okay, so and actually hope like there is no more Joget Bumbung Caruh
Caruh.
that are out of the rules
Yes.
like that. Okay, Tris.
Because it's yes, as what teman Pro 2 said before, that it's give impact about Joget Bumbung itself, because we know that the originally of Joget Bumbung is actually have a good meanings as what's that,
Image.
good image, before, and we have as Balinese, we have to preserve it and make the Joget Bumbung known as a good dance, something like that. Is that the cultural heritage of Balinese that already proposed by UNESCO, ya. That's why as a young generation also, if we have to involve in that action, something like
And
that, ya.
also joget as what is it? The friendship dance.
Yeah,
Okay.
friendship dance. Yeah, we have to return it.
Okay, so teman Pro 2,
Nah, at the
It's time to go?
Yeah,
enough for
well,
today.
Actually, no. Yeah, we have to speak more about Joget Bumbung, but
Joget
yeah,
Bumbung.
because the
And maybe
time.
we as a dancer.
No,
Dang,
no,
dang,
no,
dang,
no.
dang, dang, dang.
Thank you. That's why because this time we have to end up this section, this English corner for today. But don't worry, we will back next
Again.
next week, ya, Kakak Iren, ya.
Next episode, and always listening English Corner.
Listen us to know word more.
See you next
And-
week.
Yeah, I'm Tris Mallory.
I'm Miran Amora.
Bye bye.
Have a renewing day.
Karena udah jam 6 sore, sembahyang puji Trisanya dulu yuk.